guys. Sorry. Sick. Today we're going to do hail. Alright, so the first 8 counts, you're just going to go straight and down. You want to move your head straight down when you look at your hands, and your arms, when you do it, straight. Even your palm down. So you're going to go 1, 2, your foot's going to be behind you, and then you do it again. Step out, step in, step out, step in, step out, step in. Okay. Next, you're going to end right here, and then you step out and go up, and out and go up. Dang it. Okay. Rewind. Okay. Sorry. Up, 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 up. Same thing, except your arms are going straight up, like you're about to dive in, instead of straight down. Okay? That's the first 16 counts. So, just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From there, hand on your hip, and other hand balled up right in front of your boobs. And then you go down. Your hand is straight out, and this little hello right there. Out, down. You step with it, down, down. So this leg out, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4. And you want to spear your fingers all the way up, da na 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 na, and you bring it down and clap, da da da, and you start again. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That's it. That is hail. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'm tired. You better be practicing, you guys. You need to know this.